Welcome to the OpenClaw AI Agent Automation course. If you are looking to build intelligent AI agents that can automate real-world tasks, integrate with external tools, and streamline your workflows, then this course is for you. Throughout this course, you will learn how to deploy OpenClaw, create specialized AI agents, connect with them with powerful tools, and build practical automations that solve real-world problems. So OpenClaw basically is an open source AI agent platform that allows you to build intelligent assistant capable of much more than answering questions. Using natural language, your agents can search the web, execute system commands, interact with external services, and automate repetitive tasks through a flexible and extensible architecture. Throughout this course, we will start from the basics and gradually build practical AI automation workflows. You will learn how to deploy OpenClaw on Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud, explore the OpenClaw web interface and understand its core components, configure communication channels such as Telegram, create and manage workspaces and specialized AI agents, customize agent behavior using Bootstrap files, work with the OpenClaw command line interface, connect agents with tools to perform real world tasks. Instead of focusing only on theory, this course is built around practical demonstrations. Together, we will build AI agents that automatically generate daily technology briefings, perform system health checks, create professional research reports, and even automate weekly marketing operations. This example demonstrates how OpenClaw can solve real business and operational challenges. By the end of this course, you will understand how to design, configure, and deploy your own AI powered automation workflows using OpenClaw. So, if you are ready to move beyond traditional chatbots and start building intelligent AI agents that can take meaningful actions, let's get started. The future of automation is powered by AI agents. Let's build them together with OpenClaw.